say she don't want cassava. Come from a somebody. She say I do like palava.
Hola, hola, mes amores. Sorry, I'm learning to speak Spanish and everybody has the right to do so. Okay, in today's video, we'll be teaching you how to drink up in every possible means. The dry season is at the corner. Like in Europe and America, they have the winter. Here in Cameroon, we have dry season. You need to stay hydrated for your skin to flourish. You need to stay hydrated for your skin to be fine. So we are going to teach you a method on how to stay hydrated by drinking pineapple water. We grew up drinking this and it's a beautiful drink. Mama taught me this and now I'm passing it on to my children. Let me see your hands up if you can relate to this. We are dealing with 100% Cameroonian pineapple, very sweet and yummy. So let's get into the kitchen. First thing we have to do is wash up our pineapple very clean. We would not want to be eating dirt, so wash up the pineapple and peel it off. Take off the peels from the pineapple. So I'm breaking this up, and here we have our sweet pineapple. And the next step will be to take off the peels. This is going to help you stay hydrated throughout the dry season. Make sure you drink this often. It's very, very healthy for your skin and your health in particular. We are not just going to be cooking up just the peels of this pineapple, but we'll also cook up, there's something we call Foleri here in Cameroon. I'm sure a lot of people know that. So if you're short of blood and all of that, this is very healthy for you. But unfortunately, we'll not be putting sugar in it because we all know sugar is not healthy. So we believe just the peels of this pineapple will help us stay hydrated. So at the end of the day, we are not going to throw away these peels. We'll be
Go ahead. Go ahead.
We'll be boiling it with the Foleri to drink up. I'll be right back. To cut it into pieces so that it can be ready to boil.
Wait.
We have our pineapple peels. I'll be boiling it shortly. Now we are washing up our Foleri. This is what we call Foleri here. I don't know how you call it in your language. We wash it up and add in our pineapple peels. You could still do it simply like that without the Foleri. It's okay. It will still be okay. So we'll add that up and boil. We're supposed to have... Okay, we are back to check our pot and the smells just like mama's home. My goodness, I can't wait to drink this up. This is amazing. I forgot to tell you guys what percentage of water this is. I think this is about 2 liters of water because our pineapple was really a big one. So it's going to be amazing. Just imagine enough blood in your system and you being hydrated at the same time. So maybe it's going to boil again for a few minutes and we'll remove it. Ciao. The pot is boiling. We'll eat the pineapple. Cameroon pineapple is so sweet. Okay. We left this on for about 10 to 15 minutes. You see this? So we have our amazing pineapple and Foleri water here. We'll be drinking this up, but it's so hot now. Sorry, the pot's so heavy. So we'll allow it to cool down for a few minutes and we'll come and strain it out. Now pineapple water is ready to be consumed and we are 4 of us here. So we'll be drinking this up. I'll just fill it in our cups. It's so beneficial for the skin, as I told you. It's a rich antioxidant and very rich in vitamin C. It's going to keep you hydrated all day long. As I said earlier, if you don't have this Foleri, it's okay. Just the pineapple water is what you need. It's very important for you to take. So we are drinking this warm. Tastes amazing. Smells just like pineapple. Stay hydrated throughout the week, for this is dry season. If you loved the video, please give it a thumb up and subscribe. See you next week. Bye.